Welcome back to Cloud Computing 101, where we simplify complex tech concepts for you. I'm Marco, and today, let me introduce you to our special guest, Sam, the head of AI at eCorp. We'll be discussing Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. Welcome, Sam.
Thanks for having me, Marco. RAG is an exciting topic, and I look forward to diving into its applications and workings.
Let's dive into it. So, Sam, can you explain what RAG is?
Sure. RAG combines retrieval and generation. The retrieval component fetches relevant data from a vast database, and the generation component uses this data to craft precise responses. It's a powerful approach that ensures accuracy and relevance.
Wow, tell us more. Let's break down how it works. When a user queries the system, what's the first step?
The system first retrieves relevant documents from a knowledge base. Then, it uses a pre-trained language model to generate a response based on those documents. This dual approach enhances the quality and context of the responses.
That's fascinating. What are some practical applications of RAG?
RAG is used in customer support to provide precise answers, in research to summarize large data volumes, and by content creators to efficiently generate informed articles and scripts.
Let's talk about the pros and cons of RAG. Sam, what are the main advantages?
The main pros are improved accuracy due to real-time data use, enhanced contextual understanding, and significant reductions in manual effort for information gathering.
And what about the cons?
Some cons include the complexity of integrating RAG systems, the need for large and well-maintained knowledge bases, and potential latency issues due to the retrieval process.
Let's understand better where to use it and where not. So, when is RAG particularly useful?
RAG is ideal for applications requiring detailed and accurate information retrieval, such as technical support, academic research, and any domain where context is crucial.
And where might it not be the best choice?
It's less suitable for real-time applications with strict latency requirements or situations where the knowledge base is frequently changing and hard to maintain.
Looking ahead, what do you see as the future of RAG?
As AI evolves, RAG will become more powerful, driving innovations across multiple fields. Its ability to deliver precise, contextually rich information will be a game changer.
Thank you, Sam, for sharing your insights on RAG. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Don't forget to check out the related videos on AI and Google Cloud. Thanks for watching.